Hello beautiful people, I am going to be showing you in this video how I made these buns. So in a bowl, you pour in your flour, baking powder, nutmeg, salt, and then you give that a good stir. In another bowl or plate, you crack in 2 eggs, sugar, and then your milk. You mix thoroughly. Then it's time to bring in your butter and then you mix to incorporate. After which you pour in your mixture and then you mix. It's going to get messy at this point. Mix until you get a perfect consistency. After this, you cover to rest for 20 minutes before frying, and it's time to fry. So you have to fry on medium heat, not too high, not too low. Ensure you stir at interval until it's golden brown.